All right, guys, we are here at Port Canaveral. We just got to our room on the Disney Treasure, room 6200. Hopefully you see the room tour. It's a nice room. It's an accessible room. So I can put my mobility card in here. The balcony out here, the veranda is really awesome, man. We got 2 lounge chairs and 2 chairs and a table out here. Here, let me show it to you again, in case you didn't see that. Got those 2 chairs and these 2. And it's big, big. So we're gonna bring you the treasure, man. We're on this bad boy for 8 days and 7 nights. We'll do Palo. We're gonna do Ashanti. We're gonna try to do it all. We're gonna bring it all to you. Yeah, just like always. This is what we do. Disney Cruise Line. Hope you enjoy it. Peace. All right, here's our door.
Hello, hi. Welcome on board. How are you?
Great.
All right. Anyway, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Jimmy, and I will be.
All right, guys, we're in room 6200. It's an accessible room again. This is our room. It's a killer room. We got the best room we could have had. A full-length mirror here with a closet, which I can't show you because my cart's in the way. Let me back it up. Alright, so we got this closet here. Got your safe down here. And life jackets. Another full-length mirror. I like the accessible showers because I can kill myself in a regular shower, and that'll be the end of it for me. It will be over. Look at this. Room right here. And another closet. Let's open this guy up. He's got a lot of coat hangers that are laying down, and the reason they're laying down, I bet you, is so they don't make noise when you're on the they're all laying down so they don't bang and rattle as you're moving, floating across the ocean. Got yourself a nightstand with a light and a reading light right here. Go. We are in, obviously, the Aladdin room. There's Aladdin right there, look. He's up here, him and Jasmine. Check it out, guys. That is the backboard of our bed, the mural on the wall. But it allows you to light it up, and it's got a light that shines on it. It looks really, really cool. Hope you see this in 4K. Oh yeah, baby, that looks cool. And then we got the TV right here. I'm not real hip about the TV, where it's located. But, oh well, don't watch a whole lot of TV. All right, well, let's take a look at this area right here. This is the, I don't know, the desk area, I guess you would call it. Inaugural edition lanyards. Inaugural selling wet dry bag. I don't even know what this is. I think it's a blanket. Let me take it out. It is a blanket or a towel. It's a towel. And there's something else in there too. Inaugural selling. Let me put this on the bed. We got a towel. Check it out. Castaway Club of Disney Treasure. And then there is something else in this bag. I don't know what else is in here. Let me see. What is this? Oh my goodness, what do we got here? What are these? Coasters? 8 coasters? No. There you go. Coasters. And then we also got this thing. Well, we got a ton of stuff this time. And we got the inaugural one from the Wish too. We got the inaugural wet dry bag from the Wish. This is just a cooler, man. Pretty nice, man. It's not bad. So we got all that. There's another closet with a bunch of coat hangers in it, which we probably should take down because they're gonna make a lot of noise as we start moving. All right, let's go outside and take a look at our balcony. It's got an open door. It doesn't got a slide. Look at this, guys. This is a huge balcony we got here. I'm talking huge. We got a carnival ship right there. You can see it. We're at the very back of the ship, guys. And we got 2 chairs. We got 2 loungers. We got a huge deck here we can sit on. How about that? Room 6200, guys.